Hello YouTube and welcome to a new text launch video. Today this package arrived finally at my doorstep and therein is something from UMIDIGI. UMIDIGI sent me their Z2 smartphone, and I know some of you are waiting for the Xiaomi A2 review. Yes, I'm on it. And now some of you are wondering why is there a Huawei P20 Pro and an Honor 10 lying here around with the twilight colors or with the green twilight color. We come to this next, and I've never tested something from UMIDIGI. I only know it's a Chinese manufacturer and they're mainly putting not Qualcomm SoCs in their devices, but MediaTek devices. And one nice thing here on the box are all the things I need to know. Because yes, there's a MediaTek Helio P23 in, or an MT6763 octa-core whatsoever SoC. But of course, I will figure out how fast it is, how this device will behave in comparison with the Snapdragon, for example, or with the Kirin SoC. Then we get Android 8.1, which is nice. We get 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Okay, especially the 6 GB of RAM. We got the choice between two Nano SIM cards, or one Nano SIM card and a micro SD card. We get a battery of 3850 mAh, which is huge, I guess, and a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2246 pixels, which would be definitely sharp enough. On the back side, we get 18 plus 8 megapixel, and front again 16. No, we got 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and on the front side again 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. And here in Europe, it's yes, we get band 20 on board, and we get USB Type-C. I have to say, quick look at the box. The box does not, yes, the box sounds or feels and looks like a Chinese product. Yes, I know all the smartphones come from China, but there's build quality difference and of course packaging differences. Not even the cheap Xiaomi devices come in such a cheap looking and feeling box. So, oh, and price, I never talked about the price. This device should cost around 200 to 250 euros, so exactly around the price of a Xiaomi A2, for example, just for comparison reasons, but way cheaper than an Honor 10 or Huawei P20 or P20 Pro. But why am I showing you this device? It's because, number one, okay, this device comes in a case, but when we remove the case and remove the foil, which explains us where everything is, you see, whoa, we know this design. The UMIDIGI Z2 is also coming in this twilight color, like the Huawei P20 Pro. So it's exactly, well, not exactly, but they're really looking familiar here. And this is definitely not coincidence. No, they definitely designed it to compete with those devices. So have a quick look around the device. We got here two cameras, flash, a fingerprint sensor on the back, which is located okay. Ooh, and I guess it's at least a metal frame. And first impression, I don't know why, this reminds me of an iPhone. Yes, because of the shape, definitely, because of the buttons, definitely. Pushing the button feels okay. Let's push the on-off button so the device can turn on. There we go. Oh, even powered by Android. Let's remove this screen protection foil here. Okay, yes, there's a screen protection foil on the device, which I'm pretty sure that I will remove this. Let's go around the device. On top we got only a microphone. On the left side we get our SIM card slot. Down here we got the speaker, USB Type-C and a microphone, so no headphone jack on the device. And that's it. But first impression was, wow, feeling of the build quality, it's okay. So we get the normal Android setup screen here. But let's find out what else is in the box. We got this letter from UMIDIGI. No, we got link to the world. Why is it link to the world? Oh, because there's a SIM card tool. No stickers, and we got our quick starter guide. Not really quick starter guide, only telling us in black and white where the buttons are and where to put the SIM cards. Okay, so this is it. Then we get a charger, UMIDIGI branded. Okay, but this is again a really cheap looking box. This is not nice. I'm pretty sure for maybe 40 cents more. They could have done way better at the presentation of this device, which would then be maybe a little bit nicer in the first impression. But okay, you got the UMIDIGI charger with the normal USB Type A port and 12 volt 1.5 amperes. So we got an 18 watt charger. We get a red OnePlus cable. No, it's definitely no. Look at this, how this is packed. This is not nicely packed here. It's a USB to USB Type C cable, of course. And no, this is not headphones. This is an adapter for USB Type C to headphone jack, so that you can use your normal cable headphones with the device. And the last thing we have already seen is, of course, the case, which does not look and does not feel that nicely. Of course, it looks, and yes, it also feels nicer than all the clear-through cases I've seen in the last time. But yes, you can use it. But I then think, why should you get the Twilight version of this nice-looking device, or definitely a device where people will be looking at, and then hide it within a case where you can't see the design and the colors? So, but this is it. This is everything that's in the box of the UMIDIGI Z2. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm now really eager to check out and figure out what the device can do and how it will compare to other devices. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye!